Hi there, my name's John, and this in front of me is a 60-watt Mopa delivered by OMGLaser, thanks to Richard Zhang, straight from China to Edinburgh in less than 3 weeks. So it's a case of now seeing what's inside the box. Okay. Yeah. What we've got here, we're fairly well packed. Foam everywhere. Oh, looks like tools and accessories. We'll have a look at what's in there in a minute. Cables, more packing, and the tire. Yep. Table's a bit unstable. Unfortunately, this is a rather hefty box, well packed, and I'm unpacking it in the garage because it is far too heavy for me to carry down into the workshop. A ruler. In fact, for safety's sake, we'll put this on the side. And now we've got the Galvo head. Still attached to the power unit, and some more packaging. Lots of packaging. Right, how am I going to get this out? Let's take the base plate. Substantial. Well, that's a beast. Should easier said than done this. There we go. Nice little carry handle, you can get your hands on it. Keys. Oh, yeah, that is substantial. And what else do we have in the box? Oh, I got Richard to add in some wallets and coins as part of the party. Send over at the same time. Foot switch. That will be the rotary. Again, a substantial beast. Safety goggles. Oh, extension platform. Excellent. Two lenses. Anything else? I think not. That is it. Very well packaged, no damage whatsoever to the box. It's and everything looks like it's in first class condition. As I say, this took less than 3 weeks, including Christmas, direct from China. No issues with customs, delivered on time with everything. So thanks very much to Richard again, and for getting this to us so quickly, and I'll probably have lots of fun setting this up and actually getting it up and running. As I say, it's not going to be done here, it's going to be done in the workshop once I find a bit of a space for it, but that will be for the next time.